I learnt the true way of fasting from my teacher, Master Bute, when I was a Jesuit scholastic and studying classical Kannada under him. Every day after lunch, I will walk from St. Paul's High School to his place, which is about 1.5 kilometers. And then he taught me the classical Kannada poetry. He was a retired teacher from Bennet Smith School, a simple man. Number of students came to him for tuition, though he was just a matriculated person. British time, there was what is known as metric, equivalent of today's 11th standard. Those who are doing BA, MA were coming to him for tuition. He did not charge, everything free, but he kept a box. He said, whatever you want to put, you put there. And that money, he told me, he never uses for himself or his family. That he uses for the poor students who come to him for tuition to buy them stationery and uniform. Master Bute one day asked me the question, it was on Tuesday, I remember. He asked me, how was my class yesterday? I said, sir, it was like any other day. Did I get irritated with you yesterday? I said, no, sir. Did I explain you well? Did you understand whatever I explained? I said, yes, sir. Then he kept quiet. Then I asked him, sir, why did you ask me these questions today? He said, no, just like that. I said, sir, no. You share with me many things. Something you are hiding from me. I want to know, why did you ask these questions? Then he said, okay, now you are going to become a priest. You will understand what I am doing, so I will share with you. Monday is my day of fasting, he said. I said, okay, sir.